for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, so this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, you can see it right from here. It gave us the red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and of course it has been selling since then. And of course guys, it had a stop at this point, and of course pull back a bit, but went back up to break out below it. Okay, so it's got to this support zone, but of course we thought it will go back into an uptrend right from here, but it went back again to break out below this support zone, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, even though it is at another support zone. If it does not break out from there, it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Selling at the moment, this might not be for long before going back into an uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again, and it has been playing within this region. Okay, if it breaks out above here, then definitely it will be targeting somewhere here. Okay, the resistance region at the top right here. But if it does not break out above this, it will come back to this support zone and try to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it should be getting to this region. Okay, sorry, this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, and of course if it does not break out above that resistance zone, then it's going to sell, so we should take note of that, but it is buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's do this together. Okay, okay guys, this is crash 1000. It started an uptrend right from the support zone, and you can see it going up and up. Okay, it broke out above this resistance zone, okay, this particular resistance zone, and of course it is heading towards the next resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying, even though it might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset should be crash 500. This is crash 500, and we will be checking it out together. So guys, this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag, and of course this single sell order at the top, and of course it kept on going down till it got to this support zone. The pullback, went back up to went back down to break out below this support zone. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, it might not be for long because it is around a support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be V75. This is V75, and of course we will be checking it out together right now. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone, got to this region, had a pullback, but went back there to break out above it, and it has gotten to this major resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, then go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video.